Hi, today is 21st March 2026, and after struggling from depression for a very long time, after being in bed 24/7, not able to do dishes or clothes or mopping or sometimes even showering and even brushing, I used to just stay like a vegetable on my bed, and after a long time I decided that I need to do something about it, because now it was not just mental. My body had started paining, my legs, sometimes my shoulder, my back. I had cramps everywhere and it was not well. So I ordered these 1 kg dumbbells today.